Welcome folks, welcome to this video. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but we do have a clonk. Now listen. Can you hear that clonk? We have a clonk in our front suspension on my 2005 Volkswagen Passat, and let's take care of it. I think I know what the culprit is, so let's take a look. So the first thing we need to do is take off the wheels and on the both sides and take the car in the air. So I will just snap my fingers, but you will have to involve some elbow grease. So let's go, and like that they are off. So now let's take a look. Let's hear this. Can you hear that? That's our Swaybar end links that you need to replace today. So let's take a wire brush. Let's clean these threads off. Let's spray them. It will give us a little bit more fighting chance, and we'll see what we can do. And that should give us a little bit better fighting chance. Alright, and now what you want to do is take your 19mm wrench, 5mm Allen, and you want to hold the ball joint, the joint of the Swaybar end link, and work it back and forth, spray on it and take it off. But I think I'm going to cut them with the angle grinder anyway. And then the bottom one will be a real treat. Alright, so I have cutted those. So now let's see. And just like that, our Swaybar end link is here. Here is somewhere, here is our split nut. Where is, here it is. This is the nut that we split it. This is the nut that we ground off, as you can see. And now we bought the new ones. These are from brand Optimal. Those are optimal for our use, I would say. So let's get the box out of our way. And here we have a new one. So let's unpack it and let's put it in place. Take a look at our old. There was a lot of play. I don't know if I can show you that, but there was a ton of play. As you can see how easy that moves. The upper one moves quite not that easy. So the upper one was good, the lower one was junk. So junk, new one in, tighten the nuts, and you're ready to go. So this is how you change Swaybar end links on the C3 Passat from, I think, an 05 to 2012. And let's not forget about this drive. So let's see if it's going to be quiet. I've got a real harsh road here, so let's see. Nice and quiet, nice and quiet. So thanks for watching. Hope you get your Swaybar end links changed as well. Bye.